Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away from me.
So what do you guys do for fun around here? I don't know, sometimes we throw shit at Kevin. Who's Kevin? Kevin! One more time, tell me what to do. Wee! One more time. Wee!
But I hadn't been forgotten, now, Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Excuse me, Steven, I'm gonna need some help here. You see this little thing right here? Can you open up those fuckers for me?